How to fix if your device isn't compatible with this version of Android pops up. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located on top right corner of your screen and then search apps. Click on apps and notification. In here, search for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Force stop the app and click on storage and cache, which is below permission and over mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, you can simply restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to fix if your device isn't compatible with this version of Android pops up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.